Hey everybody, let's look at how to prepare vegetable biryani today. First, the ingredients: some coriander seeds, some cardamom, some cinnamon sticks, some fennel seeds, one star anise, some cloves, some peppercorns, and some bay leaves. In a cup, again, we have some cashew and curry leaves, basmati rice soaked in water, cooking oil. I have taken groundnut oil here, any other oil will do. Then some green chilies, two onions cut, one onion cut long and thin sliced, one tomato cut, 1 cup of mint leaves, 1 cup of coriander leaves, chili powder, and then we have garam masala, then hyacinth beans or avocado, then we have the half cooked potato, peas, and carrot. Let's look at the steps. In the mixie, first transfer all the spices: chili, the mint leaf, then the coriander leaves. Coriander leaf goes in. Then along with that, some garlic and ginger will also to be added. Now let's make a nice paste out of the entire stuff like this. Keep this aside. Next, 1 spoon of ghee. Now we're going to fry the cashew first to light brown in color. So let's fry the cashew. Once it turns light brown in color, transfer this onto a plate. Next, let's take the onions which have been cut thin and long sliced. Let's fry this into golden brown color. We need to fry this onion and lighten to golden brown color like this. Transfer this onto a plate. Next, 100 ml of oil into the cooker. Now we're going to again fry the onions which have been cut. Finely cut onion goes in. Let's fry this for 2 to 3 minutes till it turns light brownish in color. Yeah, so let's keep frying it till it becomes light brownish in color. Then get the curry leaves in, and then again fry for a couple of minutes. Add a pinch of salt if you want to hasten the process of getting the onion light brown in color. Next is to get the tomato in. So the tomato goes in. So give a fry, a couple of minutes of frying will do. Now let's add some salt as required. And then you need to have chili powder. 1.5 teaspoons of chili powder would do. In case if you want more spicy, you can add more chili powder. Give a mix nicely. Now let's get all the vegetables one by one into the cooker. First, the second vegetable goes in. The third. And finally the last one, fourth potato, goes in. Again, just fry it for a couple of minutes. Now it's time to get the masala inside the cooker. So let's empty the masala in completely and then mix it up. One spoon of ghee would do here just to ensure it tastes better. Add 1 spoon of garam masala, mix it up again before adding the rice. At this point again, you can check the salt and then add if you want more before adding the rice. Now once the rice is added, mix up everything properly, gently. Now we need to add water. Water, the ratio is 1 is to 1.25, which means 1 cup of rice, you add 1.25 cups of water. So here I'm going to add 2.5 cups of water for 2 cups of rice what I've taken. Then get the cashews, spread the cashew on top of the mixture. And then finally the roasted onions. Just spread it on top of the mixture like that. Now close the lid of the cooker. Put the weight and then cook this for 10 to 15 minutes or 2 whistles. At the end of it, the vegetable biryani would be ready. So you can see there it's nice and yummy. It's all the vegetables seems to have nicely cooked. So this is best had with mixed raita. The raita is already prepared by me. So now let's give a mix and see whether everything has come out properly. Yeah, the rice looks nicely cooked and it's fluffy and long. Just mix it very gently, thoroughly from all the sides. Yeah, like that. Yeah, it looks beautiful. Very nice. So now if you want, you can add a little more of coriander leaves for garnishing on top of it before you serve this hot along with mixed raita to your family. Hope you like this video. Happy eating and give a thumbs up if you like this video and share with your families and friends. Thank you very much. Thank you all again.